I got my water bottle full of vinegar, paper towel full of baking soda, cork. Hopefully this works. Alright. Well, that kind of worked. I think the cork was just a little too small. Yeah, let me go inside to explain it. So yeah, the cork was a little bit too small, causing the pressure to leak out. That's why it didn't. It eventually kind of went, but what happens is the vinegar and the baking soda combine to react with each other, cause an acid-base reaction, and then two reactions actually happen. Carbonic acid is formed, is broken down into water and carbon dioxide, and then the other product of the other reaction is sodium acetate. And what happens is the gas buildup of CO2. It builds up pressure until it forces the cork out of the opening, skyrocketing like a rocket. That's my explanation.